My name is Aroha Rereti Crofts, and I've been doing Healthy Day at the Pā up at Tuahiwi for about 13 years now. Beautiful, where people have come to share their knowledge, their expertise. The professionals, health professionals, come in to talk with our kaumātua and teach them what's out there available out in the community.
They have been planning for like 2 months and waiting to come. If you can imagine, we get everybody on the van, they've got the guitar in the back and they're practising the waiata that they're going to sing all the way out here.
I came here to Tuahiwi Marae today to talk to the kaumātua around living stronger for longer, with the message really on improving strength and improving balance to keep us steady on our feet so we can stay up, so we can keep up with our mokopuna.
So for them to be talking about this today, I think it gives everybody else a better understanding of what dementia is all about.
Today was the first day that I've been here and listened to some really good speakers.
It's a really cool space for them to have their taki, if they have one, with people that are trying to engage with the Māori community, and it's a nice, safe space.
For today, this was a beautiful example of what the Treaty of Waitangi is about. When you're having tangata whenua and tangata tiriti all coming together to share time and energy and knowledge, and now they're all sharing kai.